Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to be looking at how you can use a Google Home Hub to control your smart home. For this video we'll look at how you control lights, thermostats, multi-room music, plugs and your TV. First of all, let's have a look at the interface of a Home Hub. If you pull down the screen from the top, you can see the status of your lights and the temperature your thermostat has been set to. There is a button to view all of your rooms, so you can see all devices you have in each room. In the middle you have a lights button to view all your lights, a media button to see the status of your smart speakers, a broadcast button so you can send messages to other rooms, a thermostat button that can be used for controlling your thermostats. There's also a button to turn the lights in the room that you're in on and off. Let's have a look at each of these buttons in more detail. I will also show you the voice commands to control these devices through your voice. So first of all, we can view all the rooms in the house. This gives me a quick overview of all the smart devices in each room. If I touch any of the devices, I'm able to control them. For example, if I touch the speaker in the girls' room, I can play some music and turn the volume up and down. Swiping left at any time will take me back to the main home screen. The lights button will let me control all the lights in my house. I can also go to individual lights to fine tune them. For example, I can change the colour and brightness of the light in my lounge. I can also do this by using my voice. For example, set the lounge light to green.
Okay, changing the lounge to green.
The media button lets me see all my speakers and control them. Whilst I'm here, I just want to quickly talk about multi-room audio. If you go into the app, you're able to create an audio group. Once selected, you're able to listen to multiple devices throughout the house at the same time. The Home Hub supports most of the popular streaming services, such as Google Play Music and Spotify. You can also use the Home Hub to play the radio. You can use a Google Home Hub to control your Chromecast devices. For example, I can ask it to play Stranger Things on my bedroom TV. Play Stranger Things on Netflix on bedroom TV.
Okay, Stranger Things from Netflix. Playing on bedroom.
I can also control my LG TV with a Google Home Hub. For example, ask LG to open Prime Video.
Okay, going to Amazon Prime Video app on TV.
Ask LG to turn off TV.
Okay.
The Home Hub can also play films from Google Play Movies, news, YouTube and other video services on its screen. You can also cast your favourite apps to the Home Hub, although at the time of filming, Netflix doesn't work. Play Avengers Infinity War and Play Movies.
Alright, playing Marvel's Avengers Infinity War on Google Play Movies and TV.
Play Sky News.
Here's the latest news. From Sky News at 8:02 p.m. today.
Play videos by Daniel Westo on YouTube.
Here's what I found on YouTube.
Hey YouTube, what's up? This is the Google Home Hub, and today I'm going to be showing you what it can do. The broadcast button allows you to broadcast messages to other devices in your house. It works like a mini intercom.
What's the message?
The movie's about to start.
Okay, broadcasting now. The movie's about to start.
The thermostat buttons allow you to control your thermostat. You can turn the thermostat up and down, on or off. You're also able to do this by using your voice. Set the thermostat to 22 degrees.
Sure, setting the thermostat to 22 degrees.
Smart plugs are also supported on the Home Hub. You can control them from the screen or by asking them to turn on or off. I have currently got mine plugged into a kettle so I can get it boiling when I wake up in the morning. Turn the kettle on.
Sure, turning the kettle on.
If you have a Nest smart doorbell, the camera feed will appear when someone rings a bell. Sadly, I went for a Ring doorbell, so I'm unable to show this feature. Thanks for watching and I hope you found this video useful. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and if you loved it, subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye!